Have you ever missed an important call or text because your iPhone was on silent mode? I'll show you how to turn on the vibration while in silent mode so you never miss an important notification again. These steps will work on any iPhone model, so it doesn't matter if you have an older iPhone, you can follow the steps also. Let's open the settings on our iPhone and then go a bit down until you see this Sounds and Haptics section, so let's tap on this to open the sound settings. I can see the silent mode switch at the very top of my screen, and I will enable silent mode just as an example for this video. So, how do we enable the vibration while we're in silent mode? That's pretty easy as well. We'll see this ringtone and alerts section, which has this volume slider, and we'll want to find and click on this haptics, and that's essentially what Apple calls the vibration option. You should be able to see 3 or 4 different options on this page, and these are all related to the vibration. Yours was probably set to never play, and that means that your vibration was disabled for silent mode, as well as for ringer mode. So you can set this to either play in silent mode or always play, depending on your preferences. If you don't want your phone to vibrate when your phone's ringtone is enabled, then simply select the play in silent mode, and that's it. Your iPhone will now vibrate only when the silent mode is enabled, so you can feel the vibration when you receive alerts, notifications, and other stuff. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like on this video, and I will see you soon.